My name is Kimberly Calero-Hightshoe. I'm a double major in business administration and entrepreneurship. I have a minor in business law, and I am part of the class of 2024. I chose to attend Stetson because the environment, the campus is beautiful, it's calm, peaceful, and I really liked the way that they're not only just dedicated to teaching us theory, but they like to teach us practical things. There's a lot of hands-on events. There's different things for every single school. So like the School of Music has concerts, the School of Arts and Sciences has their senior projects, and for the School of Business, we have to do the experiential learning requirements so that we're able to actually put our school learning into real-world use. In my freshman year, I ended up starting a small business as a school project, and that was really valuable in helping me learn the legal aspect and like learning all the filing, doing all the practical things and starting a business. And in my senior year, right now, I'm doing an internship with Details Flower Software, learning a lot about sales, customer service, and just general business administration. And it's been really helpful in putting classroom work into like real life application. Stetson is very connected. It gives so many students so many different opportunities, and it's not just about how you're doing in your classes and what you're learning in your classes. It's about who you're going to so that you can show them how you can apply it in real life. And I think it's so much better for Stetson students to have all of this opportunity to put things on their resume, and it gives them a really good edge in comparison to other college students who maybe they learned all the theory and learned all this stuff, but they never learned how to apply it.